Chris's new hog came in, so we're gonna open her up and take her for a spin.
Harley Davidson. Got the new Tao Tao. Tao Tao 50.
Oh, that's what it's called.
Yeah.
Tao Tao. Tao Tao. She's pretty slick, I'm not gonna lie. Is that how you started? You have to thrust forward to get it to...
Stand.
Oh, okay. Gotcha. Oh my gosh. You just need a little bell on the front that you
Got
can...
room
ding,
for
ding,
one
ding.
more if you still want to go to Aspen. Hop on.
Your father's root beer.
Maybe some Ziegenbach is in order.
There's a bug.
Vast storage here. Fits the 6-pack. What more could you ask for? Just you go down in there, boom. That's not even including the trunk.
Wrap it up.
Tell me.
Problems with the engine.
Are you gonna fix it?
Affirmative.
We started the engine and she was rattling like a rattlesnake because I'm a snake. Now we are trying to figure out what is wrong with her. So Chris is shoulders deep in the engine room. You're a little turd, I hate you. I'm organizing. Woo! The life jackets are ridiculously bulky and I have no idea where to put them. So I think some of our stuff is gonna have to go into the Jeep and be stored there for a while at least.
Got maintenance to do on the engine, so if you could leave me to my own devices, that'd be great.
Isn't there a song about that? After some tinkering, Chris figured out that the belt was loose on the engine, so we replaced it and finally got to go sailing. The boat drinks. Right? That's not good.
You don't know the words?
Obviously, I don't.
Yeah, it's boat drinks.
Boat drinks.